Welcome back everybody, and it is such a long time since I've said that. It really is, and I do apologise for the delay, but let me introduce myself. My name's Ben, 97 Gremlin, and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Just before we get started, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's get straight on with this video. So, I'm actually stuck behind a lorry, which is great. Exactly what I want to do. But it's that famous road again, which you've probably seen in a few of my videos, where we're leaving Harlow, and you know, it's a boring road, but you know, if you want to get places, you got to go on these sort of roads. So let's just get past this lorry real quick, actually, just because I want to sit in that lane, but I don't really fancy sitting. I don't want to go fast today. I just want to take it nice and easy, warm up my tyres a little bit. I've got a new back tyre. I'm trying out the Road Pilot 5s. So if you guys want a review on that, make sure you leave a comment down below, and I'll give you my feedback as much as I can on what I think of the Road Pilot 5s. Currently I've had the Road Pilot 2s, just because, not that I wanted them, it was mainly because I wanted the 4s, didn't have 4s in stock. I wanted the 3s, didn't have 3s in stock. And I was like, oh, I can't believe it. And he said, well, the 2s are actually just as good, sort of thing. And I thought, you know what? As much as I really didn't want them, I'll give it a try. I'll give it a try. I'm a person who will give anything a try. I won't say no at the first time. I'll give it a taste. You know, if you don't like it, just say, nah, sorry, it's not for me. Maybe next time, though. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. Which it exactly was for me. Let's just come down the middle real quick. So I've started got the 5s now, so I'm going to give them a try, and hopefully it'll all go well. Just get past this van quickly. There you go. This is my gap. There you go. There you go. Perfect, perfect. I just sort of, you've probably thought, why did I go quiet then? It was because Vosa is open, and I didn't really fancy doing anything that's going to flag me up. Just let me just get behind this car real quick. There you go. That's perfect. It's perfectly done. I was expecting them to be there. They're a little bit of a buggers. They won't be here for months, and then all of a sudden they'll turn up. But no, that's alright. We're on the 414 now, sort of heading sort of Chelmsford way to Ongar. If you guys are from around here, just to let you know where I am, just let you know of the ride I'm going. So if you guys think, oh, you know what, that was actually quite an interesting ride, I might want to do that myself one day. So you can plan it out and do it, even though it's not going to be that interesting, but hopefully it will be, guys. So but look at the weather. It's absolutely nice. It's lovely. The sun's out, hardly any clouds inside. Well, there is a lot of clouds, but at least we can see blue. Blue is like the main thing, because we can see blue. It's just absolutely nice. Perfect. I need to stop saying absolutely. Absolutely awesome. Yeah, guys, because my name is 97 Gremlin and I can say awesome. No. So guys, in this video I've got to apologise. I really have to apologise, because at the start of the year my girlfriend got me ill. My girlfriend has been ill all the way through December, all the way up to Christmas. Christmas Day, she was fine. And I was fine, it was alright, it wasn't bad. I just thought, you know what, it was quite nice, got rid of it all. Let's enjoy Christmas, and obviously going to the new year. So it wasn't too bad. So going up to the new year, on New Year's Day, I woke up and I didn't feel ever so great. And I thought, you know, I didn't think much of it and everything. So I carried on as normal, woke up, enjoyed New Year's Day off, because I had it. I think I had New Year's Eve as well, actually, off, thinking about it, which was absolutely great and awesome for me, because normally I have to work that, but I managed to get it off. Another fella biker there, but it wasn't too bad. So I actually had it off, so I thought I would enjoy it all, and turns out I was ill. So I was actually quite annoyed and a bit upset. But come the next day, I had to go to work. I went to work that night, I think it was the 2nd. I went to work the 2nd, and when I come home, that was it. I was puking up. You know, I was doing all the disgusting things that you don't really want to hear, especially if you're, you know, you're sitting there at home eating a sandwich and everything. You thought, you know what, I'm going to watch some YouTube. I'm going to click on that amazing lad, 97 Gremlin, and see what content he's got up. And yeah, you don't want to hear all of this, but I was actually dreading it. Like, I was not well at all. For about nearly 2 weeks I had this, and just constantly throwing up, and I had nothing in my system though, that's the thing, and I was just still bringing up trouble, trying to bring up, and I had an infection in the back of my throat. No guys, don't take it the wrong way. But yeah, I had an infection in the back of my throat, and I had the flu, and there was something else as well. So I ended up having a lot of tablets, you know, a lot of painkillers and everything, trying to sort out the infection and the flu and blah 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 blah. And it wasn't man flu, believe me guys. I'm not that bad. But so I was the flu, and that took me out for a little while. Then it was my birthday, and I actually got out on my motorbike. So I'm not going to give my excuses then. After 2 weeks into January, I managed to get out on my bike. It was a lovely day, probably just like this. But the bad thing, you ready guys? The worst thing was, I tried out a new SD card. Oh no. Yeah, you guys probably know what's happening already. So I tried out this new SD card. My dad actually gave it to me. Last time I'll ever trust him again. It's sabotaging my videos. But he gave me a new SD card, and I thought, you know what, I'll try it out. So I recorded, I did a great video, and come home, go to edit it, and half of the footage was corrupted. And somehow the other half actually was, it was working, but the audio that, well, how I'm talking now, I'm talking directly, I got a mic wired up into my helmet, into the microphone, so it's all direct, so I don't have to mess around trying to sync them and everything like that. Apparently it's somehow playing video that I captured a few days before, sort of thing, and I could not work it out, because I could not understand how it merged themselves together, because the video before obviously was perfect, yeah, but the video that I did for YouTube, it just, I don't know, the audio was all messed up. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna stop it there. It's actually the 2nd of February now, so I got annoyed. The weather was quite bad, quite windy, so I didn't actually get a chance to get out or anything. So now I thought, you know what, fresh new start. Come on, fresh new start. Let me just delete it all, which is the most painful, because I thought it was actually probably going to be one of my best videos. So I deleted it all, and I thought, you know what, it's a nice day today. It's 1st of February. I think I said the 2nd of February a second ago, but it's 1st of February. Let's get out on the bike. We need to sort of ride in this new tyre, back to rear tyre. So I thought, we'll do that. Maybe go down to High Beach, get a cup of tea, and just see where the day leads us. But I do have to say an apology, and it was a bit overdue. I am very sorry. You probably guys deserve it a little bit sooner than this. But I am back. That's just to say I'm back. There will be content up daily. I'll try my best anyway. If not, it'll be about 3 times a week, 4 times a week. I'll let you guys know. Make sure you follow my Instagram and Twitter, because that's where all the information is going to be on. Where you can keep up to date and daily. Yeah, you can keep up to date daily on that for me. Why are people stopping? Oh, he must be turning. Let's just stop here. But anyway guys, I hope you accept my apology. I hope you stick around, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Hope you all going to have fun. You know, the weather's starting to improve a little bit more. It's going to start warming up a little bit more. We've actually had quite warm days. Even though it's been miserable, it's been pretty warm. But anyway guys, ride safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.